Oh, righty guys, real quick. I was sitting in this, I'm doing some work to this Pacifica and I almost dozed off, all right? Yeah, I got to get some sleep at night. But anyway, guys, I saw, when I woke up this morning, I'm a YouTuber, right? Not only do I make videos, I watch videos, all right? The Flat Rate Master, okay? I'm subscribed to all the guys. Don't, just because I'm a content creator don't mean I don't watch other people's content. Okay, I'm subscribed to Flat Rate Master, Rainman Ray, all of those guys, Ford, all of the everybody. I'm subscribed to everybody, and I watch their content just as well. Now everybody know, because, and I don't know. I spoke on this in one of my live streams. I don't know why people tend to. I don't mind, but what you think about the Flat Rate getting fired? This was last week. I got a couple of questions. What you think about the Flat Rate Master getting fired? I say, so because I'm a subscriber of his, when my notification start ringing up more of his videos, so he have time to make videos now, which might not be a bad thing. He have time to make more videos at home, I guess. So I'm starting to watch more because I'm seeing the notification more. All right, so I wanted to hear it from the horse's mouth. All right, everybody that was coming at me was speculating why he got fired. Nobody really knows. So I wanted to hear from the horse's mouth. And even after watching a couple of his videos, he never really dove into exactly why he got fired. However, he did hint on a few things. He brought up his age. All right, 40-something, I think he said. That's not even old, guys. That's not, 50's not even old. Guys, you're only as old as your health will allow you. All right. Now, you can be 30. You can be a 30-year-old slow dude, mentally slow and physically slow. Does that make you old? You can be a 20-year-old lazy, slow guy. That doesn't mean you old. Or you can be a 60-year-old perky, healthy, running around doing everything guy. You're still going to be considered old because of the number. So, in my opinion, I'm a fairly healthy guy. I don't mind bragging on that. I am, damn it. I take care of myself and my health. I take pride in my health. All right. So, I might get a little offense to calling somebody 40 or 50 or 60 old. All right. Enough of that. He did hint on a couple of things to that being a factor. What do I know? I don't know. Okay. You know what I'm saying? And I saw a video this morning where he mentioned the lead techs are training their replacement. I think that's how that video read. All right. And after listening to him, Flat Rate Master is pretty eloquent. He could talk in his videos and get his point across. Okay. Without a lot of editing. I mean, guys, here's the thing about recording. Even when sometimes you may say something, just let it ride. Because your true feelings will come out. Because when you're speaking like me now, if I slip up and a cuss word slip out, it takes too much freaking time to go in and edit it out. I goofed. Or I said improper English. Let it ride. Listen. So I'm listening to him. He talking about, one of his topics, he was talking about the older guys are actually training their replacement. And in some cases, they don't even know it. Guys, that is the future of where we headed. Okay, I've had trainees under me. All the lead, my Russian buddy down there, he got a guy he's training now. Okay, that's not necessarily he training them to take your job. I don't know if that's where he was going with this or not. Again, let me clear the airways. I have no problem with Flat Rate Master. We're not beefing. He's right here in Georgia where I'm at, but I've never met the guy. He seemed like a pretty cool guy. But his video was alluding to the fact that he trained the guy that replaced him. Guys, in some way that could offend you. I get it. That could bother you. All right. Like the guys that I train or come under me for a week, I don't know if I should really be concerned if he going to take my job. First of all, it take way too damn long to get somebody up to speed where you at. Guys, some of the stuff we know, as in elderly techs, we didn't learn from a book or training or whatever. That just comes. Some of the stuff we pick up, some of the stuff I've picked up over the years is self-made. It's self-made or self-learned. Okay, so you can't teach a young fella tricks or shortcuts or anything like that. You can teach them how system operates and what you need to apply to make finding out what's wrong with it easier on you. So I don't think I can look at a guy that I'm training in that fashion. All right. And besides, guys, the industry, let's be real with ourselves. The industry itself is changing. Okay. So, I mean, guys, I'm not trying to sound doom and gloom on the industry. It's coming down. It's about to come crashing down. But everything in this shop is gasoline combustion engine. Y'all are aware of what's coming down the pipeline, right? Y'all know where I'm going with this? Yeah. So it's going to be an even playing field before long. Now, I'm talking 5, 10, 15 years from now. All right. Who knows where any of us will be at that state. But training your future replacement. All right. Now, I think I would be offended if I went in the office was told I was fired. Why? Good. It's a host of reasons. We don't even want to get into it. Well, who's going to do what I was doing? The guy that was working under you. Yeah, I would feel a little awkward or offended. Because mind you guys, the guys that you train, you're not only talking about cars or you're not only talking about the right way to do things. When you're training a guy, he's learning how you think, how you operate, the things you let slide. You don't, hey, you didn't talk that. Hey, man, look, do what you're supposed to do. All right. Now, but I'm saying, what I'm getting at is, what am I trying to say here? Okay. When you're training a guy, he's going to learn everything about you and apply what he know about you to actually what you're doing. All right. If you got a habit, I once put in a transmission pan using RTV, no paper gas. Put it up, put the bolts in, blew my little electric drill. He asked, why didn't you torque those? This is RTV in a pan, right? So, is there a torque spec? Yes, there's a torque spec. Should you torque? Things like that is, I'm getting off topic, but things like that is kind of what a guy under you will pick up by accident. So, I guess my point is, guys, that I don't know how I would deal with that. But Flat Rate Master, man, I will say this. If you're listening, I don't know if you subscribe to my channel or listen, but you good enough dude to, you know what I'm saying? A lot of guys, y'all remember when Rain Man Ray got fired? Now, running a shop is not ever in everybody's vision, all right? That's not in my vision. Stop asking me that. People, JT, get your own shop. No, you're not. Guys, it's a lot of responsibility to running a shop. However, a couple of guys on YouTube, social media, Rayman Ray got fired. 2, 3, 4 months later, we got a contract with a garage. It's got stalls in them. He built up a clientele. He doing his thing. So it's for some people and not for others, okay? My point is, you're going to bounce back eventually, right? I think from the early videos I heard from him is he got a severance package. So he might be getting paid up until 3 or 4 months from now. That is plenty of time to grow your YouTube channel. Let me say this, because I brought up YouTube channel. You can make and earn a real freaking decent living off YouTube. I don't know if anybody told y'all that. I don't know if anybody know that. I don't know if any of you content creators know that, okay? Yes, you can. You really can. What the freak? Now, it'd be tacky for me to show y'all how or show y'all why I'm saying what I'm saying. I can't show y'all my earning revenues and all that. But you can make or you can earn a decent living if you gave it your all, okay? Me, I'm all over the place. I'm not even giving YouTube my all because I'm all over the place during the day. Imagine. I don't even want to imagine because I might start thinking maybe I should. No, guys, I like doing multiple things at multiple times of the day. Can I sit in front of a camera all freaking day making videos or do? Yeah, so it worked. My way works for me. Whatever way you got employed may work for you. But my point is, Flat Ray, you a cool dude. You a good guy. Like I say, you right here in Georgia, so I'm from what I've heard or watched on your videos, you're very knowledgeable. Yeah, bounce back. In the meantime, Flat Rate Master, keep putting out product. Okay? Those numbers gonna go up, that ad revenue gonna go up, that money gonna go up. Hey, let's see where it go from there. But in the meantime, keep looking, I guess. I'm not here to give you advice. You're a grown ass man. You know what you're doing. You know how to do what you're doing. But yeah, much respect to you, dude. You know, so yeah, I just wanted to touch on that because that was first of all, I'm sitting there, I told you I did one of these numbers. I gotta get up. I got 2 cars. So let me shoot this video right quick. So I'm in a car that I'm about to do some work on, and the customer had one of those little thingy jigs up there. So let me fire this up and talk. All right, I'm done with that. That's all I have, man. I might just start doing this on my break time, okay? Because it could get hectic out here in the shop, guys. All right. So let me get out of here, though. That's all I have. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe. My boss said, I'll see y'all on the next video.